Hey everyone, welcome back. Here is part 2 of my awesome Disneyland nails. So this one I was super mad about because I was recording it. I was paying super close attention, watching my application through the screen of my phone, and then my phone went to sleep. And I was like, seriously? I never pressed record? Are you kidding me? So yeah, I didn't press record for the first part of this nail, and I was so bummed. But it is apricot pearl, and I forget which chisel. It's CJP apricot pearl on the tip, and then it's a chisel ombre powder for the yellow one, but I swatched it in another video. I'll find the name of it and I'll put it in the description box because I just forgot what it was. And then this one is also a chisel powder. I just love how smooth these go on, these powders. They're like butter. They're like applying butter. It's really, really nice. This one just happened to be, it's actually a matte glitter in clear acrylic by Chisel brand. And it just happened to be the exact right pink for Piglet. So I was like, hey, that'll work. So that was super fun. So the first one, the first finger, the index finger, was also supposed to be a Tigger, and there was supposed to be more orange than it ended up to be, so I probably should have faded it the other way with the orange on top, but oh well. It's all good. So then this one, look at me go with my wrong hand, yikes. It's fine. I'm sure we all struggle working with our wrong hand. This one is Strut again by Glam & Glitz. That is the same one that I used on my pinky of my other hand. It's that kind of light sky blue. And I'm going to put a bee on this one. A honeybee. That'll be fun. Trying to get my application as nice as possible, but of course with the working with the wrong hand, it's a little more difficult than usual. Plus, working with the wrong hand, plus trying to record it and keep everything in shot, it's hard. Very difficult. Same on this one. We're also doing Strut. And then this one will have the Winnie-the-Pooh letters in yellow. We're going to put on it. It's a lot more difficult than it looks. A nice little finger holder thing hanging out, helping me position my finger. Trying to get that as close to the cuticle as I can whilst keeping it smooth, and then just dragging it down. I like dragging Glam & Glitz powders. They tend to work better that way, using them super wet and then just dragging them down. Then on the middle finger, I was at a loss for what to do until like the very last second. I called my husband. I'm like, okay, I've got all the rest of them done, but I have no idea what to do on this middle finger. And he was like, well, why don't you do a tree for the 100-acre wood? And I was like, you are brilliant. That's fabulous. So we're going to do that. And then when he was helping me with the nail art and we were picking out the green to go on the leaves, he grabs this green glitter that I'll show you later, and he's like, look, it looks like leaves. And I was like, you are brilliant. I never would have thought of that. I was just going to have him use like my gel paint and just make it like big and blotchy and make it look like a tree, but the glitter actually makes it look like leaves, and he's absolutely brilliant. I never would have thought of that. But on this one, I did decide to do a half blue, half green glitter ombre to kind of mimic sky and grass, because I was going to put the tree on it. So it sort of worked. It kind of looked like grass. This is Bliss from Glam and Glitz, and it's kind of a multi-cut green transparent glitter that has those little shards in it, and I just think it looks really cute. I think it looks kind of grassy. So thought it worked out well. So get the base on them pretty fast. And here we go with my husband's amazing nail art. Kind of just want to like stare at it because it's so good. This is the first time he's ever used a striping brush before. I'm a little jealous how good he is at it. But I used Crystal Nails Royal Gel for this. The Royal Gel line for Crystal Nails is their no wipe gel paint line. So you can paint them on top of your top coat and they will just cure to a high shine, and you don't have to top coat them or anything. I did put this under my top coat, but you don't need to do that. And this is number R72. It's kind of a darker, sort of dark magenta color. And just was perfect for Piglet's stripies. And please, comment on this video and give my husband a shout out and tell him how awesome he is, because he thinks he did a terrible job, but I think they're amazing. So here's the tree on this one. We're using Clutch, I think is the name of the Mission Control paint. It's the brown Mission Control paint. I'm pretty sure the name is Clutch. And my swirly brush from my Light Elegance Selena Ryden nail art collection. He's even painting little roots in there. Like, how cute is that? He did such a good job. Sorry, I'll shut up about that now. Branches. So totally awesome. And then he's adorable. He showed what green we were using, but this is the green that he picked for the leaves, and it was so good. It's called Gummy Green. It's a glitter gel by Light Elegance. And my block brush from my Selena Ryden nail art brush kit. Here's a little closer look at that after it's cured. So cute. Turned out perfect. I loved it. Then we're going to move on to the Tigger nail. Again, I'm wishing I had done like more orange on this one. It kind of ended up more yellow than orange, but at this point it was too late to change it, and I didn't have time. Didn't have time to change it, so I just left it. I feel like you should be playing the Winnie the Pooh theme song in the background or something. I will proudly say that is the one ride at Disneyland I rode twice. The Winnie the Pooh ride. It actually kind of only accidentally worked out that way, but I'm totally cool with it. Because my parents, so the whole trip we went with my parents, and my parents went on Splash Mountain with my husband and my oldest, who is 8. And I didn't really particularly want to go on Splash Mountain. And my littlest, my 5-year-old and my 3-year-old, were too small to go on it. And it had a really long wait. And it was right over there by the Winnie-the-Pooh ride. And I was like, well, I'll just take you two on the Winnie-the-Pooh ride while you guys are on Splash Mountain. And I did. And it was so fun. I loved it. I was like going to cry the whole time because it like takes you into Pooh's dream when he's dreaming about the heffalumps and woozles. It was awesome. And then when we finished with that ride, my parents and my husband and my daughter were still finishing with Splash Mountain. And so after we finished with that one, they came over and then they wanted to ride the Winnie the Pooh ride. So we rode it twice and it was awesome. I loved it. So there's my Tigger stripes. Love it. Such a good job. And then on this nail, we're doing a bumblebee or a honeybee or whatever you want to call it. I'm highly impressed by his attention to detail. He just gets all the details for the art. So first we paint the little bee body. And then the wings. So funny story about this part. We're going through and getting this part done, and my phone battery keeps popping up and saying, 10% battery, 20% battery, whatever. As soon as he finished with the bee, I said, I certainly hope my phone battery holds out for the rest of this thing. And literally 2 seconds after I said that out loud, my phone died. I was just like, seriously? So I had to grab my other phone, and I have a work phone and a personal phone, and I had to grab my other phone and put it on to record the rest of it because I was like, seriously? It died like 2 seconds after I said that. It was funny. Little wings. Just like mesmerized watching him paint this. It looks so good. Little stripies. And little teeny tiny feet. This one I think is the shorty brush from the nail art brush collection. And we're just using a little dotting tool to put a little flying squiggle behind this bee. But it looks like he's flying all over my nail. So that right there was right where my phone died, so I just switched to my other phone. So, and then he's just spelling out Winnie the Pooh on my thumb. So while we're watching him write this out, I just want to let you all know that I want to do more videos. I just want to know what you want to see. Because I can do more tutorials. Most of what I do are like watch me work videos, kind of like showing you sets that I do or my own sets or my clients or whatever. But I mean, I can do tutorial videos for specific techniques. I can do gel, I can do acrylic, kind of whatever you feel like, whatever you want to see. I would love to grow my channel and get more followers and more subscribers and just basically give the people what they want, if that makes sense. So please comment below. Please like and share my page and share it with whoever you think might like it. And then go ahead and comment below and tell me like what kind of things you want to see me do. If you want to see me do more like swatching videos or specific like product reviews, if you want me to do product reviews, if you have a specific product you want me to try and see how I like it and give a review on it, etc., etc. So yeah, just keep the dialogue open. Let me know what you want to see, because I really would love to grow my channel as much as I can. If you watched my other part 1 of this little Winnie the Pooh series, it took me 4 times to write this little Pooh word on my middle finger on the other hand, and like his O's are perfect. And I'm just like, seriously, can you just like pass along your nail art skills to me? Like, it's taken me years to get to where I feel comfortable doing certain nail art techniques and stuff. And he's like the first time he's done this, and he's just like amazing at it. It's kind of depressing, actually. I'm just teasing. So after this one's done, I'll just show you a quick top coat. I'm using Light Elegance Top Gloss, which is the no wipe top coat by Light Elegance. This is me top coating my own nails backwards with the wrong hand and on the wrong side of my table. It's so weird. But they're so cute. So excited about them. And we had so much fun in Disneyland, and they were perfect nails to wear. It was fabulous. So, and then I just had a couple of quick panoramic shots of all of them, so you can kind of see a close-up of each one, kind of see the details, close-up details of all the nails. And then that's it. So yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, do all of the things, because I'd love for people to be more involved with my channel. So thanks again for watching. I really appreciate you all, and I love ya, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!